Soka. Traveling.
Next quarter, sa ano ha? Pink ball next quarter, pink ball. Second quarter, pink ball.
Number 17. Pass to number 99. Number 99.
He was more.
Rebound, no good. Rebound ulit, no good. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 00, Mata. Oops! Traveling! Huling-huli ang nirep. Traveling without car. Number 17. Pass now back to number 16. Back to Mas. Steal by number 14. Out of bounds.
Yummy?
Number 4. Pass to number 16. Coach Carter. Pass to Mas. Mas. Screen by number 99. Back to number 99. Number 99. Number 99 attacking. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 17. Number 17. 2 points by number 17. Score 2-0. Steal by Mas. Number 24. Mas. Rockmer Mas. For 3. Bang. 3 points. Ganado. Mata, pass to number 18. Rail. Steal by number 21. Number 21 all the way. Basket. Number 18, dribbling the ball. Pass to Mata again. Mata dribbling for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Van Berenko.
Bata ni Ban.
Ha?
Yung bata ni Ban.
Number 16.
Dito.
Number 16, Coach Carter. Olinares. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 24. Pass.
Dito.
Pass to the ball. Pass to number 17. Number 17. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4 still by number 17. No good. Rebound by number 21. And 1. Foul. Number 4. Number 4. First personal foul. First team foul. Substitution rep.
Number 5. In.
Number 5 in. Number 4 out.
Number 4 out.
First shot. Score.
Ha? 10-0 ba yung score?
Score 10-0.
10-0 boss.
Outside. No ball.
Naman na shoot sa inyo eh.
Number
16 ba yun? 18?
Number 16. Coach Carter. Foul. 0-0. Shooting foul. Number 0-0. First personal foul.
Madali na to, no? Ano to?
First team foul.
First team foul.
20 second na.
Hindi, okay yan. Kakalagay ko lang.
Hindi, may na-ball na kanina eh.
Second. Sorry.
Second.
First shot, good.
First shot's good.
Ano yung score?
Yan.
Second shot. Second shot, no goal. Rebound by number 0-0. Mata, rebound by number 0-0. Mata, attacking. Pass. Foul. Who's foul rep?
16.
Foul number 16. Number 16. First personal foul. First team foul. Substitution rep.
First team foul. Yeah.
Tama ba yung score? 11-0?
Sorry.
Sorry. Ano yung score, pre?
Number 18. Steal by number 21. Number 21. Attacking. Basket by number 21. number 18. Number 18 dribbling the ball. Screen by number 11. Pass to number 18 again. Number 18. Number 18 attacking. Pass to number 5. Number 5 fake. Fake again. Traveling violation. Nadulas lang. Number 16. Score 13-0. Number 16, moving the ball. Moving the ball. Pass to Mas. Mas for 3. Kapos. 0-0. Mata still dribbling. Pass to number 11. Number 11 sa ilalim. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Foul, number 17, second team foul.
Ilan na 17?
First personal foul, second team foul.
Ba't ko na bala dyan?
Ako, hirap nito.
Ha?
Ano to?
Kaya mo yan.
Bubus oras na daw.
First shot, no good.
Ganun lang.
Hindi, sa fourth quarter, yung shot clock.
Oo, madali mo.
Paano?
Second shot, no good. Rebound by number 10. Rebound niya ulit. Pushing foul. Number 16, pushing foul.
Tagad.
Number 16, second personal foul, third team foul. Number 18, back to number 10, libre, 2 points by number 10. Mas. Dribbling the ball, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 16, Coach Carter. Double team, pass to number 21, foul by number 10.
Number 10 nila na. One. First
Number 10, first personal foul, third team foul. Score 13-2 in favor of Ban.
Allen.
Coach Carter. Coach. Hakim. Oy! Nag-selfie pa sa yaling. Kaso wala. Mata all the way! Basket yan kay Mata. Mata, 2 points. Number 24, Mas.
Meron. Pakita ko ito ha. Pagkuha next.
Dribbling the ball. Mas for 3. No good. Rebound by Mata. Mata attacking. Foul. No basket. Foul number 24. Mas. Mas, first personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Substitution. Mamaya.
Number 18. Number 18 dribbling the ball. Number 18. Pass to number 11. Number 11 attacking. Foul. Number 99.
Sub.
Number 99.
Ilan na?
First personal foul. Penalty. Substitution rep. First shot, basket. Remaining time, 45 seconds.
Magaling ka siya doon sa papel.
Second shot, no good. Rebound by number 99. Pass to number 21, number 21. 35 seconds. Number 21, dribbling the ball. Number 21. Number 21, pass to number 30. Traveling by number 39. Remaining time, 15 seconds. Mata, steal. Pass to number 11, attacking. Traveling yan, sabi ni Ren. Kitang-kita. 3 seconds in. 1 and... End of the first quarter. Score 13-5 favor of Van Beverly.
Bas! Bas! Ubus oras na.
Oh, ano?
Paano start to?
Pigutin mo lang, pigutin mo lang.
End of the first quarter.
Alay, pag okay na ha.
Back to the ball game. Pink ball.
Ano kayo?
Mighty Finance ball.
Pipindutin ko lang to kaya mag-start na to.
Start-stop yan na, pipindutin lang. Pag-stop clock lang, di ba?
Hindi pa, second
Mamaya, fourth quarter, yan lang, pipindutin lang.
Back to the ball game. Second quarter. Number 11, pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 14. 14 defended by Batang. Traveling violation. Okay lang, okay lang. Okay lang yan, sabi ni Sir. Number 7, pass to number 29. Fake and shot. Basket by number 29.
Score 15-5, tama?
Mata. Mata dribbling the ball. Mata still dribbling. Defended by number 29. Number 10 attacking. Basket by number 10. Number 7 dribbling the ball. Number 7. Pass to number 14. Clark. Pass to number 7. Number 7 Taraya attacking. Pass to number 11. Out of bounds.
Si ano? Number 10. Number 10. Si ano? 29, number 29.
Number 5, Latosa. Latosa pass to Mata. Mata dribbling the ball, attacking. Mata. Pass to number 5, Latosa fake. Back to Mata. Mata attacking. Pass to number 10, number 10. Number 10, 2 points by number 10 of Mikey. Score 59. Favor of Banbury. Batang. No good. Number 0-0, Mata. Mata attacking, pass to number 10. Number 10 guarded by number 829. Steal by number 7. Number 7 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 29 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 14. Pass to number 7. Number 7 pass to number 11. Number 11 back to number 17. 7 Taraya dribbling the ball. Pass to Batang. Batang fake. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Back to number 0-0. Steal by Mata. Mata pass to number 10. Number 10. Out of bounds. Banbury ball.
Wala ba shot clock pre pag wala?
Sa 4-second third.
Batang, the point guard. Batang dribbling the ball. Pass to number 29. Number 29 fake and shot. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10 pass to Mata. Mata attacking the defense. Mata basket. Score 15-11.
Sa next.
Time out.
Nabigay na yung bola eh.
Number 7. Dribbling the ball. Number 7. Number 7 attacking. Steal by Mata. Pass to number 14. Number 14. 2 points. Timeout. Van Beverly.
Oh, dalawa.
Score 15-30. Favor of Van Beverly. Remaining time 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Sabot tong pagkain. Parang tayo nasa swimming nito.
Kaya nga eh.
Yun yung pagkain.
Hindi naglaro yung malaking isa niya, no?
Adobo, pansit. Shanghai. Ewan may Shanghai.
Saka si Burns, no? Burns.
Siyang palabo.
Hindi na nagaya yung mga din dalawa.
Jefferson eh. Nasa Jefferson na.
Ilan laro pa pre pagkatapos to?
Back to the ball game. The point guard. The point guard si Batang, the point guard. The sham god.
Ito ang tambero.
Sino yan? 29? Galing nga pumiki-piki. Number 29, dribbling the ball. That's number 24, Mas. Mas, moving the ball. Fake, pass to number 29, or 29, or 2, short. Rebound by number 10. Pass to Mata. Mata, pass to number 5. Number 5, Migot. Tira, no good. Rebound by number 99. Number 99, pass to number 21. Number 21, attacking back to number 99. No good. Rebound by Mata. Mata, pass to number 10. Foul. What's ball in? Foul number 24. Ilan na foul ni Mas? Si Mas yun, ha? Number 17, rebound. Pass to number 21. Number 21, attacking. Number 21, out of bounds. Mata, bring the ball, pass to Dude. Dude, pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to Dude. Number 10, attacking, foul. Shooting foul, is that right? Number 21. First personal foul, second team foul. Shooting team. First step, no good. Second shot. Second shot, basket. Score, 15-14.
Wala pa shot clock. Wala pa ba yan?
Mas moving the ball.
Second quarter pa lang eh.
Mas attacking, Longer! Bang! 2 points by Mas, number 24. Mata, attacking, side step pass to number 10. Blocked by number 21. Rebound by number 10. Basket count. Number 21.
1 point lead.
Ilan ang foul ng number 21?
Number 21, second personal foul, third team foul, shooting team. Ball shot, it's good. Score, 17 all. Lamang pong 17. Number 24, Rockner Mas. Big by number 99, back to number 99, free throw shot, no good. Rebound by number 29, pass to number 24, pass attacking, no good. Rebound by number 11, foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 24,
Ilan na?
number 24, third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 5.
Mas.
Number 5, 3, no good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Attacking, block by number 17. Rebound ulit. 3 seconds violation. Score, 17 all. Lamang po ang lamang. Remaining time, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Mas, dribbling the ball, Mas. Mas, crossover. Dribbling the ball. Mas, still dribbling the ball. Picked by number 99. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 29 for 2. Basket. Number 29, 2 points.
Parang si PJ Simon yun ah.
PJ Simon. Number 00, Mata. 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 Pass to number 11. Number 11. Out of bounds. Substitution rep. Sub. Number 14, out. Number 17, out. Number 14.
Oh. Sub daw, sub.
Number 29. Pass to Mas for 3. No good. Rebound by number 5. Number 5. Number 5 attacking by number 5. Attacking. Number 5 fake. No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14 pass to number 24. Mas attacking. Mas. Mas pass to number 14. Out of bounds. Main time 5 seconds. 2, 1, and end of the first quarter. Score 19-17. Sorry, end of the second quarter.
Ano yung score?
1970.
19-17.
Score 19-17 in favor of Van Verenoy. Going third quarter na po tayo, third quarter.
Yung mga ito naka-package yan. Wala ko siya papasok. Pwede mong tanggalin. So parang ano yun, back and forth. Magkasap.
Sasab lang mahirap yan. Sasab.
Magkasap.
Paano inubos niya ata adobo? Pagka madami pumasok.
Puting yung ginagawa ko, inaano.
Nakairit ko. Kala ko na eh. Kaya ng basura.
Dapat mabilis ka rin. Tapos pag na,
Okay na? Okay na?
Nasaan yung player dyan? Hindi ka na yun.
Wala. Ano, pagka wala.
Ito ang made, ito ang miss.
Ay, nakatupay. Pindot ka na. Para makatap na.
Pag
Back to the ball game! Third quarter.
Kasi hindi yung mga rebound. Dapat hindi. Kaya, miss yan. 3 points miss yan.
Ang ganda ng ganito, ang dali na lang.
ayun, may 2 points siya. Kailangan talaga focus ka.
Ilang hirap ako doon.
Focus ka. Ayan, ang nasa loob.
Third quarter na po.
Kaya natin, hindi mo ganang pansin.
Blue ball. Change card na po tayo. Blue ball.
Pwede ba yun ang kasalamin mo kaya?
Pre, hindi ba ito pwede doon?
Kaya mas kabling yan.
Ha? Kasi hindi nila makita eh. Nagre-reklamo yung mga hindi nila makita.
Pass to number 21.
Nililipat pag
Number 21. Number 21 back to number 16. Number 16 screen by Batang. Number 16 foul. Small rip. Foul number 14. 2 shots.
Number 14 na na.
pala.
Number 14 first personal foul, first team foul. First shot, basket.
Pasok, number 16 na basket ah.
1 point, pero lalagay ko sa banda. Hindi siya yung sa banda.
Okay, let's go.
Second attempt. Bang! 2 out of 2 by number 16. Score 21-17 in favor of
Wala si Isip niya.
number 18 for 3. No goal. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Number 16. Number 16 attacking. No goal. Rebound by number 10. Number 10 pass to Mata. Mata, dumana po si Mata. Pass to number outside. Number 14, pass to number 5. Number 5 holds 2. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Let's score him. Traveling violation.
Traveling without visa.
Number 2. Shamgad, the point guard. Batang, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 11. Sobrang lakas.
Malas yung Buenas ng 3% kayo.
Alright, number 00, Mata. Mata dribbling the ball. Trending by number 20, 16. Pass to number 18 for 3. Short, rebound by number 10. Foul. Foul by number 2. Del Mundo. Two shots. Shooting foul.
Number si Batang.
First shot. Basket. Second shot. Basket again. Oh, no count. No count. Stepping ball. Line ball. Stepping.
No count ah.
Score 21-18 in favor of Van Beveren. Number 29. Number 29 attacking. No good. Rebound by number 5. Pass to Mata. 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 No good. Rebound by Batang. Outside. Bitawan lang. Sayang.
Paano ko nilinis pa?
Substitution, rep. Sub.
Daw si Batang.
Number 24 in. Number 2 out.
Tampo man.
Ha?
Hindi pa nag-iinit eh.
Brady. Pass to number 13. Traveling. Score 21-18 in favor of
Nag-hustle pa naman siya.
Van Beveren. Running time 7 minutes.
Brought to you by Adobo Chicken by
Steal by number 18. Number 18 pass to Mata. Mata all the way. Basket. 1 point lead na lang ang Van Beveren. 21-20. Mas dribbling the ball. Screen by number 21. Mas for 3. No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. Pass to number 10. Dudes. Number 10. Pass to Mata. Mata. Pass to number 5. Basket. Lamang na po ang Mighty Finance. 22-21. Favor of Mighty Finance. Number 24, Mas. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Back to number 24. Back to number 21. Back to number 24. 24 for 3. No good. Rebound by 14. 14. Foul. Shooting foul. Who's foul, rep?
Teka lang po. Teka lang. Foul number 14. Kaya lang, tayo na yung referee.
Foul number 14. Shooting foul. Sub, rep, sub. Substitution. Number 16 out, number 7 in, number 5 out, number 11 in. First shot. No good. Second attempt. Basket. Score on 22. Lamang ang 22.
Sa 22.
Mata. Pass to number 18. Back to Mata. Pass to number 10. Dudes attacking. No good. Rebound by number 14. Outside. Substitution. Number 14 out, number 19 in, 99 in, number 11 out, 17 in.
6, 7.
Here. Pass number 14, pass to Mata. Mata attacking. Foul. Foul number 7. First personal foul. Number 10. Number 99, pass to number 21. No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. Pink ball. Mighty Finance ball. Out of bounds.
Buti, may tumawag ng foul.
Buti pinanalo kami ni Randy. Wala pa kami panalo eh.
Warning, number 2, Batang. Warning, bench po.
Hindi, nagre-reklamo.
Eh, huwag niyo na po guluhin yung referee. 0-0. Back number 18. Number 18. Sealed by number 24. Number 24 attacking. 3-on-1 play. Attacking number 24. All the way. No good. Rebound by Mas. Mas attacking. Pass to number 7. Still by number 14. Number 14. Number 14. Pass to number 10. Good. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Fade away shot, turn around, no good. Rebound by number 11. Basket by number 11. Score 24-22 in favor of Mighty Finance.
Sab.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Mas, pass to number 21, Enriquez. Back to number 24, Mas. Pass to number 7. Number 7, back to number 21. 21, still by number 11. Pass to Mata dribble the ball. Foul by number 7. Number 7, second personal foul, third team foul. Substitution. Number 14 out, number 5 in. No, third personal foul pa po. Third team foul, sorry. Number 10, pass to number 18. Number 18. Number 18, the ball is skipped by number 11. Pass to number 5, number 5. Another shot, no goal. Rebound by number 99. Number 99. Number 99. Number 99, give the ball. Pass to Mas. Number 24. Number 24. Number 24, coming. Foul by number 18.
Wonderwall eh.
First personal.
First,
Number 18, first personal foul, third team foul.
Kapatay ba natin yung oras? Hindi.
Hindi na naman bawal.
regular fall lang naman. Wala naman.
Okay na yan, kiss. Kiss muna, kiss. Number 17. Back to number 17 for 2. No goal. Rebound by number 99. Number 99 pass to number 21. Short. Rebound by number 17. Pass to Mata. Mata. Steal by Mata. Mata.
Hindi ko naman pinipindot.
Husay!
Namatay na pusa.
Bro, nakamatay siya ng kusa. Baka hindi mo na lang. Nakamatay siya ng kusa.
Kenold, smile ka naman dyan.
Nakapuno na yung... Hindi, nasa card na siya eh.
Ano yung next game, Kuya Ran?
Next game?
Si Wally kasi, ginalingan eh.
Ayan, GD tsaka...
Wally, malungkot pa yung kaibigan natin.
GD Jewels tsaka
Ginalingan
VIP
mo eh.
Finance.
Next game, GD Jewelry and
Ano? VIP Finance. Ay, VIP Finance.
VIP.
Finance. Ha? VIP Finance.
VIP Finance.
4 points lang. Ay, lamang pala kayo.
Tayo.
Back to the ball game, fourth quarter. Fourth quarter na po tayo, last quarter.
Mas, pang ano ka lang, first up ah. Ah, minasahe ka.
Sa pader eh.
Lagyan sa long pass. Lagyan sa long pass.
Miguel. Inbounding. Pass to Mata.
Oh yeah, clock.
Pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to Riel. Riel, tutupol ng 3. No good. Oh! Blue ball. Last touch spin. Mighty Finance. Number 16, Coach Carter. Pass to number 29. Number 29. Number 29 attacking. Pass to number 11, 17. 17. Basket. Mata. Pass to number 18. Real. Number 18 reverse. Short. Number 14. Pass to number 29. Number 29. Dribbling the ball. Easy lang kay number 29. Oops! Outside! Di naman sadya, pero okay lang. Bola ng kalaban. Number 5. 5, dribbling the ball. Pass to Mata. Mata, pass to number 5. Number 5, Latosa, pass to number 18. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Number 5, fake, pass to Riel, number 18, fake again, pass to number 5 again. Attacking, steal by number 17. Number 17, bringing the ball, number 17. Steal by number 18. Number 18, pass to number 5. Mata, pass to number 11, alley-oop, no good. Rebound by number 14, attacking. No good. Rebound by Mata. Mata, attacking. Pass number 18. Boring yan kay Yale. Basic yan. Number 16, dribbling the ball. Score, 28-24 in favor of Mighty Finance. Number 29, dribbling the ball. Screen by 29. Steal by number 18. Oh, foul. Number
29 yan, Rep, 29.
29. Time out! Mighty Finance.
Ano yan?
Sino na foul?
Kasi parang 88.
Tayo mo doon, sa'yo.
Kasi yung 9 niya magkadikit. Patay
Sino na foul?
29.
Ano nga,
Sa blue. Sa kanila nakakito. Yung 9 niya kasi formang 8. Formang 8. Tapos yung 2 parang akala mo na
Many times. 7 minutes. Score 28-24. Favor of Mighty Finance.
Stop time ba pag fourth quarter?
Last 3 minutes.
Shot clock. Kuya, shot clock.
Kala ko hindi pa.
Hindi, last quarter may shot.
Fourth quarter na ba?
Quarter na.
May shot clock po tayo ha. 0-0, Mata. Moving ball. Pass to number 14, pass to number 10, Back to number 11. Rebound by number 14, pass number 16, number 16 attacking. Oy! Foul! Who's foul rep? Number 11. Number 11, first personal foul. First team foul. First step. Basket. Second attempt. Basket again. Score 28-26. Lamang po po ang Mighty Finance. Mata's dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14, back to number 10. Number 10 attacking. Blue ball. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 16. Number 16 attacking. Pass to number, steal by Mata. Mata threw the ball away. Basket by Mata. Number 14. 14. Threw the ball to number 14. Number 14. Pass to number 16.
10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock. Number 29, pass number 14, number 14. Basket by number 14. Number 10. Number 10, shooting the ball. Number 10. Number 10, pass number 11, number 11. Foul. Foul, number 14. Foul number 14, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 10, pass to Mata. Mata, pass to number 5, number 5. 4-2. Tapos, rebound by number 10. Number 10, foul by number 17.
Again.
Number 17, second personal foul, third team foul.
Sub rep.
Sub. Number 16 out, number 7 in, number 29 out, number 99 in.
99-7.
Remaining time, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. First shot,
3 minutes stop clock.
basket.
Ano ba sila? Kaya?
Yung Mighty sa
Second shot,
Sana lang Mighty. Dalawa sa ban.
basket again. Score 32-28 in favor of Mighty Finance. Number 17. Number 17. Pass to number 21.
3 minutes na.
Number 21. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 21. 10 seconds shot clock. No good. Mata. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 14. No good again. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. Foul. Foul by number 00. Substitution, Red.
Sino foul? Sino? Kuya? Foul Mata, si Mata.
Foul si Mata.
Ilan na yung foul ni Mata?
Second.
Mata, second personal foul, second team foul. Substitution, number 7 out, number 24 in. Score 32-28 in favor of Mighty Finance. Number 17. Number 17. Pass to number 21. Steal by number 10. Steal by number 17. Back to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 14. Back to Mata. Mata attacking. 2 points by Mata. Rockman. Property violation. Timeout. Ban. Score 34-28 in favor of Mighty Finance. Remaining time 1 minute and 54 seconds.
Sanay na sanay sa FBC ito. Nakikita ko ito sa Facebook. Dalawa na yan. Between?
Ano laban yung bukas na pre? Championship. Saan? Championship kayo? Ban?
Isang
Ano ka lang?
mga kay Neil.
Sick migration.
Isang mga Neil.
24. Type 24.
Baba, start, off, on, off, on. Kahit after the basket. Pag successful basket, nag-layup, transition, tataas sa kamay namin. Tsaka stop yun.
Back to the ball game.
pinasok na yung idol ko.
Gamer yan, pre. Gamer.
Magbigay screen na. Screen. Screen.
Reporting pass to Mata. Foul.
No play on the ball. No play on the ball.
Who's fault? Number 2.
No play on the ball.
Number 2, second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Hoy, mag-screen kayo. Pasok ka.
Mata dribbling the ball. Mata. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Traveling violation. Number 16. Pass to number 21. Number 21 attacking. Number 21 foul. Who's foul rep? Number 10.
Second.
Number 10, second personal foul. Second team foul.
Papoy sa kanya.
Number 14 foul. Offensive foul. Number 14.
Pero penalty na sila.
Go.
Mata dribbling the ball. Pass number 10. Number 10. Go ahead by number 10. Number 21.
Stop.
Substitution rep.
10 seconds.
15 seconds shot lang. Score 36-28 in favor of Mighty Finance. Number 10. Number 71. Wow. Penalty rep, penalty. Foul number 2.
Batang, ilan na foul?
Tatlo.
Del Mundo, third personal foul. Penalty.
First throw.
First attempt, no good. Remaining time, 1 minute and 4 seconds. Second shot. Basket. Score stop. Mass. Back to number 18. 16. Back to Mass. Ruckler fake attacking. Foul.
Lagi nakaano yun.
2 shot. Who's foul rep? Number 5.
Number 5.
First.
Number 5, first personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Parehas na warning. Penalty na isa.
Hindi pag ipapawal pa. Ano na, hindi ba? Free throw ulit.
First attempt. No good. Second attempt. Basket. Mata, shooting ball, Mata. Pass to still by number 14. Number 14, pass number 21. 2 points. Mata, pass number 10. Number 5. Pass to number 10. Number 10, attacking pass to number 4, no good. Pass to number 4, no good again. Eight seconds. 5, 4, 2, 1. Time.
Stop na to, Peran.
Stop na yun.
And for